how to change formation in EA FC 24. So, when you're in gameplay, you want to press the options key and this will bring up the main menu. Once you've brought up the main menu, you want to select Team Management. Then within Team Management, you can use the left and right bumper to go to different instructions within the team. However, if you want to change the formation, you want to come to Formation. Then you can come down here at the bottom and select any of the different formations. Then you want to press on it. Say we want this one here. You can select it with this green tick. Then when we come back, this is the formation we will be playing with. As you can see there, it's set out as we've just set up in the team management. And we've changed our formation in FC 24.